am outside, and this ASMR video is going to be called Nature Walk. Now I'm going to be doing an up-close whispering, and just give you guys some positive affirmations. We know that there is a lot of tragic stuff that has occurred within the past 2 weeks, and I just want to give some positive affirmations while giving you visions and images of nature. And I also want to ask you guys your opinion. Like, how does footsteps sound? Like, is that soothing? Let me just try that out for y'all real quick. Okay guys, so I want you guys to let me know whether that was relaxing or not. But moving on with my positive affirmations. Okay? You are wealthy. You make a difference. Life, or the life is going great, or it may seem like it's not going your way, or you're facing a challenge in your life. Just remember that things are handed to us in this form for a reason. I believe in you. The best way to get rid of doubt is to get outside in nature and reflect on what you would like to have in life. You are able. You are the best. You have the power to make everything go your way simply by thinking a certain way and adjusting your actions to your thinking. Life is in your hands, and if you just trust in yourself, like I know you can, you will be able to bring any and all beautiful things that you deserve to yourself. Life is not so bad. Life can be a beautiful thing. I have some family members with me out here. And I know that you have some family members who love and support you too. And even if you don't, your biggest and best friend is yourself. You are not alone. You have yourself. And even though that may seem crazy, like that is alone but not lonely. If you are wanting to bring something in your life, make sure that you become that person who would have those beautiful and wealthy things in their life. Make sure that you make it very clear to yourself and any higher power that you believe in and everyone that you love that you already have these things that you may desire. It is also important to be grateful for the small things. You are brilliant. You are intelligent. You, as an individual, can be the cause of why the world will turn into a much, much better place. I believe in you. Do you believe in you? You should. Because if you think about it, you came into this world a winner. You really did. And do you think that coming in this world winning, you think you should go out losing? No. So, when there are tragic things or even great things going on in your life, just remember that you can make a difference. You can make things better even when they are great. You already have greatness within your life. You are happy. You are intelligent. You are successful in whatever it is that you want to accomplish. Life can be made easy. Life is easy. You just have to realize that you may have to do certain things to make it easier for yourself. I'm not saying that you won't have challenges, but those challenges in themselves will be something that you love doing to get to where you need to be. My time has run out, but if you would like to hear more positive affirmation nature walks, I will make longer ones than this one. Thank you for watching.